Okay, Diogwit, we're going to have a quick little tutorial on how to use clips. It's so easy. Okay, so we get our clips. See that one there with the little camera on it? Clips. Okay, in we go. Now I'm facing that away from me. So you have the option of talking directly into it, but you also have the option of pressing that button there. Okay, and then instead of going to photos, go to posters. Okay, and you can make a quick poster. Okay, so whatever it is, you can go in there and go, cool, I like that one there. I'll use that template and change the text. Okay, so we'll be doing ours maybe on Féin today. Okay, Féin. Féin agus mo Hylock. Okay, and let's even put in maybe an emoji. Can we find a nice little emoji for that? Maybe this. There we go. Gahal. Okay, there we go. So we're ready. That's the very start of it. Okay, so we can choose to go on to something else, or we can do a bit of text in that, or a bit of audio. Okay, so let's try this out. So we'll press that red bar on the right, and we'll try this. Féin agus mo Hylock le Adam ó Féin. Okay, and then you release that then, and there you go. Okay, so let's press the button. Féin agus mo Hylock le Adam ó Féin. Okay, so there you go. That's that's the first bit there. Now we want to move on. We want to put in another visual. So what do? We go back over here, go to our posters. You can change it around if you want. Okay, so let's go. So you can just continue on and just go sho. We'll just say Shohei mo Hylock. Shohei mo Hylock. This is my family or my household. Okay? Yep, happy with that. Grand. Then we just press the red bar. Okay, so we do our audio then beside it. Okay, so I'm looking at my fihe kesht. Okay, Cadas anam dit, Cadas dit, and all that. So I'm ready to go. So I have it open in front of me. Okay, let's go. Tív Adam is anam dum is os balia ohaclia me. Tá me cuig blina deig dish. Rugu me an triú lá deig de vi van for Míle nígéid nócaní. Tá grua Tá súlia gurma agum. And so on. Okay, and you can see there that is now saved there. We can change the effects. We can mess around with it. I'm going to let you guys play around with that yourselves. Okay, now, very important. Nura thought to creek na. Okay, bottom right corner, share. We need to share that. Okay, and then we need to share it to where? We need to save the video. Okay, you can save to files or you can save the video. Go to save video and then that will actually save into your gallery. Okay, that will save into your gallery. Okay, okay, excellent. And there, when you go into your gallery, it's there. Hey presto, Tatu create and then you share that and submit that as your piece of work. Okay, go hintach, slán go fóill.